That's it. We're going home. When they got in the car.
Cookies, that's enough.
Sorry. Yeah, that's enough, Cookies. I've had enough of you.
Not another word, Puppies.
Yeah, I'm gonna talk.
Puppies, stop. Puppies, you're gonna end up making your punishment worse.
Sorry.
Now get inside, you two.
I'm not really sorry either.
Puppies, you must really like to get in trouble.
I don't want to get in trouble.
Come on, let's get inside before Dad gets mad.
Dad's already mad at me.
All right, puppies, you are grounded. You will not be going to the party tonight.
I want to go to the party.